When Apple released an M4 Mac Mini, I was really tempted to get one. A tiny box that, at least on paper, is more powerful than the older generation Mac Studios. I'm glad I didn't. Many power users thought that they could get away with a Mac Mini. From what I've seen, they are returning their devices. I decided not to keep waiting for the new Mac Studio 2 release. Let me show you what I got. Hi, my name is Jose Alcoy, and on this channel I share what I learned in my journey as a content creator. Check out my newsletter, the link is on the description. For the past year, I've been editing all my videos on a Windows laptop. I had to optimize media and bring down the resolution from 4K to Full HD while editing. It worked, but it was a struggle, and it was taking the joy out of creating. People all over the internet have been raving about how powerful is the new Mac Mini M4. If you only look at benchmark comparisons, the conclusion is clear. The new Mac Mini is more than enough to run video editing software. But if you plan to use your Mac Mini primarily for video editing, there are a few reasons why this may not be the best choice. The Mac Mini offers amazing value at its base configuration. However, once you start adding a Pro chip, extra RAM, and more storage, it becomes overpriced for what you get. There are solutions like hubs to address the lack of ports and increase storage, but some people report stability issues. The Mac Mini Pro's fans need to work very hard under heavy workload, raising concerns about the device's long-term durability. Imagine riding a scooter on a highway. It's doable, of course, but would you want to do that every week for the next few years? Probably not. You want your video editing machine to be built like a tank. About a month ago, I found exactly what I was looking for. A second-hand M2 Mac Studio with 1TB of storage and 64GB of RAM. It was only a few weeks old and had nearly 1 year left of Apple warranty. It would have been great to wait for the M4 release, but not knowing when that might happen made the wait even harder. The Mac Studio has no problems handling 4K edits, and I'm confident it will meet my needs for the next 3 or 4 years. Are you facing a similar dilemma? Watch this video to find out why I switched from a Windows laptop to a Mac Studio for video editing.